Welcome to the first module of the Articulate Storyline e-learning training module. In this module, we're going to be going over document setup to get our checklist project off the ground. Now before we begin, please make sure that you have Articulate Storyline installed on your computer. If you require further assistance on this, there's a quick how-to video located on the module website. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So by now, Articulate Storyline should be installed onto your computer. And let's go ahead and launch it. I got my icon down here in my taskbar. And I'm going to be prompted with this Storyline menu, and it's going to ask me what I would like to launch. And I'm going to click on Storyline 360. Go ahead and click Open. And let this run its cycle. It might take a bit, especially if it's your first time launching Articulate Storyline. So, where we want to focus to begin our project is going to be over here on the left-hand side. You're going to click on New Project. Once you do that, you're going to be prompted here to something we call Story View, as you can see over here. Now think of Story View as a bird's eye view, and we want to get a little deeper than bird's eye view. So to do that, you're going to double click on Untitled Slide. Alright, and here we are. And as you can see, it's a very familiar interface. And that's the thing I really like about Articulate Storyline, is that it looks a lot like PowerPoint or any other Microsoft program that you might have used in the past. At the top here we have different menus, and this is called our ribbon. We have Home, Insert, Slides, Design, Transitions, Animations, View, and Help. Now for this video we're setting up our document. So the first thing I like to do when setting up my document is change the size of my window here. I like for my projects to look like YouTube videos, and most YouTube videos are on 1080, so that's what I want to change my design to. So the first thing we're going to click on is Design up here on our ribbon, and you can see we open up a new submenu. And we're going to click Story Size right up here. And first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and change it from full screen. I'm going to change it to widescreen, 16 by 9. And I'm going to go ahead and change my width to 1920. And as you can see, my height has automatically changed to that 1080. So once we do that, we're going to click OK. Now as you can see, my window got really big, and that's okay. But I want to see it all without having to scroll. Now to do that, we're going to go back up here to our ribbon. We're going to click on View. Alright, and you can see the zoom here. We're going to click on Fit to Window, and boom, automatically everything is good to go. Now I have a nice clean image where I can completely work on very well. Now let's add some design to it. Let's pick a design so that way we can get started with adding stuff to it. We're going to click on Design again, and as you can see here I have a wide range of different designs that I can choose from, and you're more than welcome to cycle through one that you like the best. The one I like the best is over here on the right hand side. It's a simple border, and I have a clean, crisp image where I can continue to add stuff to. So once we got that, again, I encourage you to view any of the designs that are up here and pick the one you like the best. So now our document has been set up. I'm going to go back to Home, and this is what it should look like on the end. Of course, if you have picked a different one, that's totally cool. So let's save our work just to make sure that we don't lose anything. We're going to go ahead and click up here in our save icon. And since it's the first time, you're going to be prompted with naming it. So I'm going to go ahead and name mine Project 1. And Articulate will automatically save your stuff on a file called My Articulate Projects. Go ahead and click Save. And there you go. I would click it one more time just for good measure. And once you're done, we'll see you in Module 2.